In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HeyGen for beginners. If you're brand new to the platform, this walkthrough will help you understand where everything lives and what each area is designed to do, so you can move confidently from idea to finished video. We'll follow a simple path through the interface and I'll explain what each stop is for, along with a few practical tips to make your first session smoother. Start by opening the HeyGen homepage. This is your hub, where you'll see the main workspace and the left sidebar. Think of the sidebar as your map. Each label opens a focused area of the product, and learning that layout early on saves a lot of clicking later. If your browser offers it, pin this tab while you work so you can quickly return to your starting point. Next, choose Avatar on the left side. This section is all about digital presenters. It's where you explore the available options, understand what styles are offered, and get a feel for how avatars can deliver your message. Even if you're not ready to produce something yet, a quick look here will help you match tone and visual style to your content goals. From here, select New Video. This opens the creation canvas, where your scenes, visuals, and voice settings come together. Consider this your production desk. You'll see places to adjust layout, add media, and prepare narration. Take a moment to hover over icons and read tooltips. Those short hints can clarify what each control changes without committing to anything. Choose avatars within the creation view to browse presenters and understand how they appear in different formats. When you're evaluating options, focus on clarity and pacing that fit your audience. Then, head to Video Agent. This area is designed for dynamic, guided video experiences. It's ideal when you want structured interactions or repeatable workflows, and it helps standardize how content gets delivered. Move on to Translate. This is where you adapt videos for multilingual audiences. You'll find controls oriented around language, voice, and timing, which is especially useful for global teams or content that needs broader reach. After that, open Apps. Think of it as a toolbox of enhancements and integrations that can speed up production, automate repetitive tasks, and extend what your videos can do without leaving HeyGen. Finally, go to Projects. This is your organized library. Place your drafts, assets, and finished videos here so everything stays tidy and searchable. With that tour complete, you've covered the essential navigation path in HeyGen. Now you know where to start, where to build, and where to manage your work. Explore these areas at your own pace, and you'll be creating polished videos with confidence in no time.